this week on White Trash with Zach and Evan. We make ourselves dinner. And we get apple pie for dessert.
Good afternoon, Wild Wild World. It is approximately 5 o'clock. So yeah, I haven't vlogged today because it's Friday. And this is typically the day we have off. As for the ministers where I'm working. I found him. He's here. Let's see. So, if I leave the door open, you think he will freak out when he comes in? I thought you might think that somebody broke in and killed me. That's why I left the door open.
No.
Oh man.
This is the first light of day I've seen the entire day. Oh, I've just now emerged from my apartment.
It is cloudy. Oh, the land of a cloudy day. Oh, it's raining. Oh no. We have acquired one pot from said church building. We have uploaded, well, I have uploaded, Evan didn't upload. And now, we must envoyer to Wally World. The plan is to make chili. We shall see how that turns out. So, as of right now, welcome to Cooking with Evan and Zach. We have arrived at Wally World. Now, we must infiltrate the premises and see if we can't not buy us some food to cook us some din din for our tummies. You're so white. This is gonna go so bad. All right, I forgot to get a cart, so that's the first rule of getting food is you must get a cart. So now, we have us a cart. Need ground beef. We need some ground beef. Oh, look, ground beef. Okay. Eat it all. Okay.
Couple of that. That's going to be heart healthy.
Extra, well, what percentage is this? Does this have percentage on it?
The others did.
96?
96.
Okay.
This is 93.
Oh.
This is 90.
I see.
So what if we did two extra lean and then 190?
What's the difference between this extra lean and the ground beef? Oh, this is less fat.
And this is sirloin.
Okay, that makes sense.
Right. So we go with 3 pounds of extra lean and a little bit of fat.
I have a lot of bit of fat on me. I'm more than just 10%, so I guess I'm not lean. Okay, so we've picked up the diced tomatoes and some Bush's beans.
Do we get hot sauce?
No, we do need chili powder though.
Oh, well, that's probably...
Where's chili powder?
You'll buy? Or...
I don't know. All right, so do we have dark and light kidney beans up there?
Yeah.
Okay. Throw them in.
3 cans each?
I think so. We're gonna make enough chili to feed Africa.
Do you really want to make that much?
I don't know. We could just cut it down to 2. All right. We need an onion and we need chili powder. We need some chili powder. Do. Is that chili powder? Chili. Oh, look at that. Oh, yes, we want the 30% less sodium. Yep. All right. Where are the crackers, Evan? I found one right here. It's you. You cracker.
Sometime this summer we're going to go to Cracker Barrel.
We could. All right. We need to find the crackers and we need to find 1 onion. That's it. 1 onion. Yep. What a menace to society. Somebody stole one of these out of here. How despicable. Welcome back to the cooking show. we are currently down sans onion and Chez, which Evan's going to pay for because Evan wants it, and some crackers. Well, never mind, we got the crackers. So we got the crackers, we need tomato sauce, and we need an onion. And Evan wants cheese. So that's where we're at in our cooking fiasco. Let's see. Small 8-ounce can? Didn't it say 1? Oh no, yeah, we're doing 2. Okay. 2 8-ounce cans. Done. Now we need dos años. Yes, it's Spanish for onion. All right, we got 2 onions. Which onions do we want? Ooh, the red onion is only 88 cents. Oh, those are only 68 cents.
Red onions and...
I don't know what red onion taste difference is. Well, these are 68 cents. Why don't we get 2 of those? Why? Oh, these are sweet onions. We don't want sweet onions. We want onions.
We want, you know, the rank breath onions.
Mmm, good thing only you and I will be there. No girls to smell our breath.
Nope.
We have successfully gotten all of the food for chili. There we go. Yep. We're adults. Garçon! Bring me the food!
Yeah, food.
Yes! So, where are we, Evan?
Spending too much money here in Family Dollar. Imagine that.
Well, so, here's the sitch. We got all the way back, got everything back, and then Evan's like, hey, Zach, do you have a can opener? And I was like, no. I was like, hey, Zach, do you have any paper towels to wipe out this plot? And I was like, no. Hey, Zach, do you have any soap? I was like, well, not dish soap. So, here we are. At last, picking up more essentials that I didn't realize I needed.
Hey everybody, welcome to Zach and Evan's cooking show. Today we're going to be making chili. You excited? Oh, this water's hot.
Scalding hot. So we're finally back in the apartment. Let me tell you, for any of my people who are not living on their own that are watching these videos, life is harder without your parents, okay?
I mean, sometimes it is, and sometimes it isn't, if you know what I mean.
Amen. It's the Lord's ladle. Ladle, 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 ladle. I made it out of clay. And when it's dry and ready, then with it I shall cook.
We can't. 2 Scotsmen making chili. Also,
That's what we'll title it, 2 Scotsmen making chili. Alright.
why did you dry the spatula and stick it back in the sink?
Oh, I don't know, I'm stupid. I do suffer from a lack of intelligence.
Well, you'll edit that out. That's not going in the video. Now, what we need to do is we need to brown the meat.
We need to chop an onion too.
Oh yeah, I need the trash.
The trash is right here.
Yeah, I want you to hold it here.
Oof. What do I look like? Trash holder person? Are you saying I look
Trashy.
Evans are like onions. They have layers.
We do. That's true. Just ask Flora.
Don't waste any of the onion, Evan. I paid for that.
You tear off the first couple outer layers.
That's what you do with a person too.
Yeah, because those are usually, that's what you're not going for. You're going for the inner layers. Remember that, kids.
Go for the deep stuff.
Fine.
Look how much onion you just wasted.
It's fine.
I paid for that onion.
It's fine.
We need to do 2 of these onions. Welcome back! Where we're trying to answer the question, can 2 college men, students, living on their own, make chili? These onions.
Are you getting much frying happening over there?
Yes, maybe.
Oh, the onions. Oh, it burns. It burns.
We're struggling.
I've never cried so much cutting onions. Oh my goodness. It's gone now.
Mine isn't.
I have legitimate tears. Oh. Zach, tell us more about how you're doing over here.
Well, we're finally seeing some results over here in the pan. We're getting some nice sizzling. As you can see, there's some browning of meat down there, which is what you want to see when you're making chili. We should know, we're chili experts. And so this is going exactly what we had hoped for. So, yeah, we're just hoping that the meat gets fully cooked at this point. That's what you need to make sure. You need to make sure that there's no red left in it, which just means it's raw. And then once the redness is gone, you can start to add the other ingredients. Want to? There's one thing I can do with brown meat. Boom. Looky, looky. Oh, yes. All nice and browned. All right. So, how do we carefully pour out the grease from this?
So what you're gonna do, you're gonna pick the pan up by multiple things, by both handles, and you're gonna take it over here. You're gonna be very careful not to get it on yourself.
Oh, you're not getting it. Yeah. Ooh, boy. It's starting to look like chili.
Here's the sauce.
Oh, yes. Chili beans. Chili beans. Oof.
Spoon.
I don't know how much is a tablespoon.
It looks like a lot.
Yeah. Both.
Bam!
Boom.
You missed that. Here, let me do it again.
Okay, do it again. Yeah! There are people that live in this building, I hope you know.
I'm sorry. Here we go. You ready?
All right, get in there. Get in there.
Bam!
Well, bam! It's almost like whoop-ash.
Beans.
More beans. All right.
Frijoles rojos claros. Ready?
Listen to the sound.
Have some diced tomatoes.
What about some more? Yuck. All right, so things seem to go similarly well. Get it? Now look at that lovely chili. Oh, it is beautiful. It smells beautiful. It is fantastic.
Do not knock up against this bag.
Trash bag. So yeah, now the only thing left for the chili is to let it simmer for 13 minutes. All right, taking out the trash while it's not night. Taking out the trash while it's not night. Taking out the trash while it's not night. Right, so while we wait for our chili to simmer, only one thing left to do. Play some magic. All right, the chili is done. Dinner is served. Yes, sir. Oh, look at that.
But we have cheese.
Oh, I guess we do have cheese. Yeah, that's a thing. That's a thing that we have. We have cheese. All right, let's get some chili. There we go. Oh, look at all this chili. It's enough to feed me for weeks. Or Evan and I for 2 days. Because we eat a lot. Eat the chili we slaved over for literal hours. Is it good?
Yeah, it was good.
How would you rate it out of 10?
Give it about a 6.
Should we open a chili restaurant?
Probably not.
Sadness. All right, let's dive into this beautiful chili.
What you think?
Oh, yes.
Out of 10?
I agree. It's about a 6. Maybe a 7. I know it's nice and warm.
Yeah. I put it at a 6 to 7 too.
Ooh, oh, it's good, and it's not like most of the chili I have at home because my mom doesn't like spicy stuff is kind of bland. It's got a good spice to it too.
I would even add like maybe about a half packet more of chili powder.
Maybe. Now, time to watch the lovely movie The Commuter with Liam Neeson. And as you can see, because I don't have Wi-Fi, you can't watch it on the television over there. Because the television is useless since I don't have HDMI cables. So time to movie night. Yes, tap on him. Yep. There we go. Beep, beep, beep. So, dinner's over. It was so good. Evan and I both had 2 bowls of chili. So good. And it's still in the fridge. A ton of it. So I'm gonna have that for so long. I'm gonna be eating chili for the rest of the week. But it's satisfying to have, like actually done that on my own. Yeah, I did it with Evan. We did it together, but I mean, both of us, it's not our parents. It's not somebody else doing it for us. We went out, we bought, we paid for everything ourselves. Like, this is what life is. It's interesting to gain this perspective. Because obviously, I've just been a kid my entire life. And, I'm kind of glad that nobody wanted me to stay with them this summer or could house me this summer, because it gives me this opportunity to grow in a way that I wouldn't have, because I can just rely on other people to make food and worry about those things instead of have to make those decisions, have to think about those things, have to budget that money, have to figure those things out all for my own. So yeah. But now for the worst part of cooking. That's the dishes. So now that the dishes are done, once we finish the dishes, we get a reward. And we made ourselves dinner, so you better believe we got ourselves dessert. They had little pies at Walmart, 2 for $1. So Evan and I are having a little bit of vanilla bean ice cream with some apple pies. Good times. Adulting.